Have you already installed the Cropty Wallet and you're ready to make your first transfer? Perfect. In this video, I'll show you how easy and secure it is to send and receive crypto in the app, even if it's your very first time. Let's get started. Before we send crypto, let's quickly look at how to receive it. In Cropty Wallet, this is as simple as it gets. No need to be an expert or understand complicated networks. Just a few steps and the crypto will land right in your balance. Here's how to receive crypto. On the main screen, tap Receive. Choose the asset, for example, USDT. Copy your wallet address or use the QR code. Send this address to the person who needs to transfer you crypto, or use it to send funds from an exchange or your other wallet. Once the transfer is confirmed, the funds will appear in your Cropty Wallet balance. When the cryptocurrency is already on your balance, it's the perfect moment to learn how to send it. In Cropty Wallet, you can send funds in just a couple of taps. It's fast, convenient, and secure. And what's especially nice is that you can choose how to send, either through the blockchain or directly to another Cropty user with no fees at all. All right, now let's go step by step and see how everything works. To begin, on the main screen, tap Send. You'll see two sending methods. One option sends the transfer through the blockchain network, and the other lets you send money to a Cropty user using their email, nickname, or phone number. Transfers between Cropty users are completely free. Let's start with the first method and walk through it in detail. So, sending through the blockchain network works like this. Choose the option that sends through the crypto network. A form will open. Select the currency you want to send. Enter the recipient's wallet address or simply scan their QR code. Choose the network. Enter the transaction amount. Tap Send. You'll receive a confirmation code by email or phone number. Open your inbox, copy the code, and paste it into the required box. Tap Confirm. And that's it. The transaction will be sent to the network. You can check its status anytime in the history section. Just one important note. With some cryptocurrencies, and for example, XRP, you might need to include an extra parameter called a memo or a tag. It helps the receiving platform identify which specific account should be credited. If you forget to add a memo when it's required, the funds will reach the address, but the exchange won't know they belong to you. You'd have to contact support and prove the transaction is yours. So before sending, always make sure whether a memo is needed. Now let's take a look at the second method, sending funds inside Cropty. This is where you use the recipient's email, phone number, or username. It's simple, fast, and the best part, it's free. Choose the option that allows sending by email, phone number, or username. Select the currency you want to send. Enter the recipient's nickname, email address, or phone number. Enter the transaction amount. Tap Send. A confirmation code will be sent to your email or phone number. Copy it and enter it in the correct box. Double-check all the details to make sure everything is correct. Tap Confirm, and you're done. The transaction will be processed right away, and you can always check its status in the history section. When you're dealing with crypto, whether you're receiving it or sending it, there are a few simple but very important things to keep in mind. They'll help you avoid mistakes and make sure your funds stay safe. First, always check the network and the wallet address. Before you send anything, make sure you're using the right network, like Tron, Ethereum, or Binance Smart Chain, and that the address is correct. If even one character is wrong, the money won't reach the recipient. And one more thing, don't type the address by hand. Just copy it. That way, you won't make a mistake. Next, use the QR code whenever you can. It really helps avoid errors. If you're receiving funds, just show your QR code. And if you're sending, you can simply scan the other person's code. The address gets filled in automatically. Now, about the memo or tag, Some coins, like XRP, need this extra parameter. If it's required and you don't add it, the transfer might reach the exchange, but it won't be credited to the recipient. So always check whether memo or tag is needed before sending. Another good habit is making a small test transfer. Before sending a large amount, send the smallest possible amount first. This way you can make sure the address, the network, and the memo are all correct. And finally, keep an eye on the transaction status. After you send the transfer, you can always check its progress in the history section of Cropty Wallet. And if it takes a bit longer, that's normal. The speed depends on how busy the network is at the moment. Sending and receiving crypto with Cropty Wallet isn't just convenient. It's also fast and secure. Just a few taps, and your transfer is on its way. And of course, you can always check its status in the history section. With Cropty, you're fully in control of your funds. You can send money to other Cropty users with no fees, and you can make quick blockchain transfers for any purpose. And anyone can send crypto to you just as easily. You'll receive it in no time. Cropty Wallet is your simple, reliable, and secure tool for everyday transfers. Use it with confidence wherever you are.